Hello everyone, today we're going to be walking through on how to order your textbooks online through our website for the upcoming fall semester. So first of all, you're going to want to go to our store website, which is just www.uilstore.com. Once you are on the website, you are going to want to click on books and supplies. It'll just do the little drop down and you'll want to go to the textbooks tab and click buy and reserve. So once it redirects you to this page, you'll just want to scroll down and go ahead and go to order textbooks now. You will be redirected to our ordering page. It's going to have you start with selecting a term. So we are doing the fall, so we are going to be selecting fall 2022. And keep in mind, once summer courses are over, the only option you will be able to see is fall. You'll then want to choose your department. I'm going to be doing 3 examples for you guys today. So the first class that we are going to be picking is Pols 1000. So we'll just be scrolling all the way down to the P's. And then I see that it's right here. Pols 1000 is political science. So we'll go ahead and click on that. You'll pick your course. I'm just going to go ahead and select the first one. And then your section, and then again, we're just going to click the first one. And then once you're done selecting, it'll go ahead and add it to your current course list. But you can keep adding and it'll just add your classes to that course list as you add them. Next, we are going to do chemistry. So here it is, chem. And then again, just select your course. I think we're going to go with Chem 1020. And then we're going to go with section 02. And then again, it pops it over to this side. And then the last class we are going to be doing is English 1000 or 1010. And then English 1010. And then choose your section, just section 1. And then once you're done selecting all your classes, you can go ahead and click compare prices on these course materials. Okay, it will pop this up. Just go ahead and read through all these just so you are aware of everything that happens in the ordering process. So then you'll click begin price comparison. So the first book that it pops up for your classes is English 1010, and it shows you the book that you need, which is Writing at 7,200 Feet. It shows that it is a required textbook. So then if you want to buy it from us, you can go ahead and add it to your cart. And it looks like we only have new copies and not any used. And if we have used, it'll give you the option to add a used book. For Pols 1000, it shows IA Equality State and IA American Government. So the IA in front of the title means that you were automatically enrolled in Inclusive Access. So Inclusive Access is just an online ebook. So you actually do not have to add these to your cart. These books are already included in your tuition. You should see them pop up on your billing once it goes through. And for more information, you can read about it right here in the notes section. And we will also be sending out an email the week of classes, so you are able to know more about Inclusive Access. If you do not want to be automatically enrolled in this digital textbook, you can go ahead and opt out of it. By opting out of this book, that means that you will no longer have access to the book. So I definitely recommend talking to your professor and making sure that you absolutely do not need the book before you opt out of it. For Chemistry 1020, so it looks like this one also has an Inclusive Access ebook. So again, you do not have to add this to your cart. It is already charged to your tuition. And it looks like you need lecture notes and a lab manual. So right now it says there are no offers found, and that just currently that means that we don't have any in right now. This usually happens with a lot of like lab manuals or course packets, just because we wait till we have them completely in stock before students are able to order. But once we have them in, it should let you add it to your cart. So we added the Writing at 7200 in our cart. So we'll just go ahead and go to checkout if that's the only book that we are going to be buying. And then you'll go ahead and read the note part of it, make sure you got everything that you needed, and then go ahead and click checkout from retailer. It will redirect you back to our store website, and you'll be able to see your cart. And then I would just double check, make sure the pricing looks right, make sure the book looks right, it's for the right class. You'll go ahead and click checkout. I'm not going to go ahead and do that just because it does show some personal information on the next one. But that is when you'll go in and put like your name, your W number. When you put in your W number, you do have to put the W capitalized in front of the numbers. Then after that, you'll go ahead and put your name, your address. If you're getting it shipped to you, you can go ahead and select a delivery method, which there is shipping or campus pickup. Campus pickup is free, so you'll just come to our bookstore located in the Union and come downstairs, and you can pick up your textbooks down here. And then it'll have you select a payment. You can pay with a card, or you can select your student account as a payment. Student accounts will be charged to your student accounts when you go pay like your tuition and everything. It'll just be added onto that if you want to wait a little bit longer to pay for your books. Once you have completed that, your order will go ahead and get sent to our system. And it does take about like an hour and so for us to actually receive an order. Once we print them, it does take us like about another hour to print it, fill it, and get it ready for you to get picked up. You will receive an email saying that your order has been received, that we got it. And then you'll receive a second email saying that it has been processed and ready for you to pick up. And yeah, just like I mentioned before, you will come to the store located in the Union and come to the textbooks area downstairs and pick up your textbooks. I hope this was helpful for you all. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call here at the university store.